Deadpool's having a bad time. First he married Shekla, the queen of the monster metropolis. But then he is fighting with his wife as she is trying to take over Manhattan. Then Deadpool gets Dracula to help him fight her. But instead, the two end up getting engaged. So now, Deadpool and Shekla are no longer being together. And on top of that, Shekla and Dracula are going to marry each other. The two kiss and begin their plan to take over the world by combining their two people, the monsters and the vampires. But in Monster Metropolis, the vampires and the monsters are in all-out war. Meanwhile, Deadpool and Spidey are managed to free themselves from the monsters. But when they arrive, they see Shekla and Dracula attempt to take control over their people. But they aren't listening anymore as they can't trust their leader who betrayed their own kind and married each other. And right at the time, Spidey and Deadpool jump in and begin their fight. While Spidey takes on Dracula, Deadpool tackles Shekla into a pile of rubble. During the fight, Spidey gets also knocked into that same rubble, and when he regains his sense, he finds Deadpool and Shekla are doing the thing instead of fighting, and Shekla asks Spidey to join them. And hearing this, Peter quickly leaves the two, and after they have finished, Shekla kisses Deadpool, which knocks him down, and then she approaches Dracula and tells him that she is planning to leave. If her people don't want her to rule them, then she shouldn't force them. So Dracula agrees, as he already retired from being the vampire's king, and the two vanish into the air to spend their married life. But trouble finds Deadpool again, as now he has to deal with the bills of damaging the city. So which part you like the most? Please share them on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.